Okay. Okay, it's kind of a time for a snack. I'm going to have some Som Tom being here. And we'll watch it being prepared in a moment. Looks good and fresh, huh? Yep. Alloy. Just some crab, some cabbage, garlic, of course, chili pepper, and other secret ingredients, especially something like this fish sauce, which looks like it's homemade and very special. Got limes, tomatoes, some beans. All looks good. I'll be eating that in a moment. We're preparing my dish now. It's got the fish sauce. It's got the chili, very hot. And we have the lime. Here's the crab, very essential part of this sometimes. The peanuts. And what is this? Lampan. Sugar. That's wait, go on. Beet? 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 Oh, it's a beet, like a sugar beet. That adds the sweetness. That is interesting. This should taste just great. Okay, we've got some tomato going in now. I think that'll be good. Everything is so fresh here.